Hey guys, today we're having a look at Logitech's M350. This is a little Logitech mouse and it is actually very small. So it's got Bluetooth and it's got a receiver. You can decide which one you want to use, and then it's got a high precision optics, silent clicks, and sounds like very long battery life, 18 months. So that's quite nice. So there you can see how the box looks, and I haven't seen this mouse before, so this is something new to me. Let's quickly get this opened up, and yo. This thing is super sealed. Good. So there, the mouse is peeking out. It's got this little pulling tab here. Wow, it's quite flat. There's just a manual in the box and nothing else. So I don't see batteries. I think it's already in the mouse because there's a little tab there. So let's get this thing opened up. Yeah, this feels it feels good quality in your hand. So this tab you will just pull out and then the batteries will start working. I wonder how. Oh, okay. So this is magnetic. This is a little magnetic cover. There's two magnets on there, and there's two little screws there that attaches to the. Let's just see. Oh, and there's the little dongle. So if you want to use it as a wireless mouse, you can use it like that. But if you're going to use it with Bluetooth, then you're just going to pair it. At the moment, when I removed the little battery disconnect, it started flashing, so now it's in pairing mode. I'm sure this is also the way you're going to pair it. There we've got an on and off, so you do have an on and off switch. That is very nice for when it's in the bag with your laptop. I see it's got a laser or invisible. You can see it on a camera, but I can't see it with my eye. So that little light that you see there is actually I think it's only visible to the camera. A little bit of a laser light. So this just clips on like that, and if you have to change the battery, it's only got this one AA battery. This has got a very wide little scroller. It's only a click. I don't know if it's a left and right. It feels like it's a scroller. Yes, but these clicks are so silent. You can't even hear them. So it's really a quiet mouse. And this is not very big. In comparison to my Leatherman here, this is very flat. And I believe this will be a very nice thing to have in your laptop bag. Underneath my hand, it feels very good. It's not supporting my hand very well, but I think this is all about traveling and just ease of use or ease of packaging it into your luggage and taking this along. So that's what this mouse is for. And yeah, at the bottom it's got these full-size little sliders for the desk. So if you wanted to know how this looks and how big it is, there you go. This is just a quick video to show you guys what you get when you buy the Logitech M350, a Pebble mouse. Thanks for watching.